In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, creating a personalized email signature can add that professional touch to all your correspondence. So let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website. Open your web browser and type in the HubSpot URL to reach their homepage. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you will find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the Login page, choose the Sign In with Google option. This is a quick and easy way to access your account if you've previously linked it. You'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to use, so pick the appropriate one and you'll be logged in shortly. Once you're in, head over to the settings. Look again at the top right corner and you'll notice a cogwheel icon that represents the Settings menu. Clicking on it will take you to your account settings page. Within the settings, you'll find various tabs that control different features and preferences. Locate the General tab, which is one of the main navigation options. This tab is your gateway to managing broader aspects of your account. After clicking on the General tab, switch to the Email section on the menu located at the top of the page. It's essential to be in this section because it houses all of the options related to your email settings. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Manage Email Signatures. Clicking this will open up the interface where you can start crafting your unique email signature. Begin by entering a name for your signature. This could be something simple like professional signature or business signature, whatever helps you identify it quickly in the future. Next, it's time to get creative. In the text box provided, type out your desired signature. Feel free to include important details like your full name, company, contact information, and maybe even social media links. This signature will automatically be appended to your emails, so make sure it looks neat and professional. Finally, after you've crafted the perfect signature and are happy with its appearance, locate the Save button to lock in your changes. Clicking Save ensures that your signature will be applied to all future emails sent from HubSpot. And there you have it. You've successfully added your email signature in HubSpot. Having this signature in place not only saves time, but also adds consistency and professionalism to all your emails. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.